So hi everyone, I'm Kayum, and in this video we will going to learn about how to compress, archive, unarchive and uncompress files. So let's start with the LSLRT. Here we can see that how many files we have. So we will first of all do we will copy this file.txt and tar it using the tar command. Okay, so for compressing it we can use -cvzf and then the tar file name which we will going to use file.txt.tar.gz and then the file name which we want to archive or tar. So you can see that we want to archive file.txt, so that's why we are taking it. And now we will going to convert it into tar.z. Okay, so this has been done. Now again do lslrt for seeing that whether our operation has been done or not. So you can see that there is a tar file which is file.txt.tar.z. So previously it is of 1.1 MB and now you can see that it is of 1.2 KB. So we will first remove the file and now we will going to do that lslrt. Now you can see that here. So to untar the file, tar file, we will gonna do it like tar then hyphen x for the extraction v z f. Now the tar file name done, then hit enter. So we can see right now. Let's again do lslrth. Now you can see that we have untar the file. So we can see that it is present there file.txt name as, and it is of previous status like 1 MB. It is of 1 MB. So now let's do it. So now how to compress and uncompress files using GZIP and uncompress using GUNZIP. Okay, so these are two commands which we will gonna use. So these are useful for making the Z zip commands. Okay, so now let's again remove the tar file. So can we will gonna zip it again. So now, so in case of zip, okay, so we want to zip this file, so we will simply mention the command zip and the file name. Now again do lslrth to list down all directories. Now you can see that we have zip the file, so it has been compressed. Okay, so on the both the cases you can see that we had compressed it up to previously with the tar we can get it 1.2 KB and now 1.1 KB. So in this way, now how to uncompress this we will gonna see. Now for uncompressing it you can use gunzip then zip file. Okay, so this is our zip file that's we have mentioned there. Okay, so now again hit enter. So it has been uncompressed right now. Okay, so you can see that we did the operation. Okay, compressing and uncompressing the files. Okay, so in this way we can do it. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.